What's up, guys? I just got some packages in the mail. Super excited. I also did get a brand new SD card. There we go. I got a brand new SD card. It's this Lexar SD 128 gigabyte V90 SD card. Those things are not cheap, and I spent like an hour trying to open it when there was a little thing on the back that said tear here. So 200 IQ plays. I now have that amazing SD card in the second slot of this camera. Super excited, and we got some other things to unbox today, so let's go ahead and do that. Apologize for the bad looks. I just got back from practice and I wanted to record this video because who doesn't love unboxing stuff? Alright, so this is actually 2 external batteries for this camera right here with a charging dock, which is very much needed when you are making lots of videos, travel videos, vlogs, whatever. The NPZ100 batteries. So this is absolutely a must. These also weren't cheap at all, but luckily I did get a few gift cards and I had some money to spare to go ahead and spend. So now we got extra power now. This is awesome. I think they just go ahead and fit in like this via USB-C. And yeah, this is awesome. Oh wait, they do give you a cable. I was like, that's weird. They don't give you a cable. Here's the cable. This will come in very handy because right now I've been just using one. And these batteries are awesome. They last so long. So I'm so glad I have 3 batteries now in total. All right, awesome package. Now the reason why I really wanted to record this video is because of this bad boy. This is the brand new keyboard that I bought, and I don't know if you guys can tell what brand this is. This is the Fanatic Mini Streak, and I'll explain why I'm not building a keyboard, because while I'd love to, I mentioned it in my last video, my Minecraft video, why I'm not building, but I'll go into that in further detail. But I think it's time. Oh, here we go. Here's the front. I thought this was the front, but I didn't even look at the other side. So brand new keyboard, super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, check this out. Okay. Ooh, that is nice and silent. I love it. All right, so here's the first look at the board. It honestly looks amazing. Nice and silent, which is a good thing. Got the nice USB-C cable. Awesome. I love it when keyboards have a detachable cable. Every keyboard now should have a detachable cable. But anyways, whew, this is super light. I think even lighter than my other keyboard, but that was really loud. Time to download the software, fanatic.com/op. I will do that, but we are going to take this sticker off because that is just annoying. So a quick little note here that this is my second TKL keyboard, I believe. My last one was actually the Razer Black Widow V2 with yellow switches, which you guys helped me to get. That was like my dream keyboard back then. And yeah, so if you guys don't remember those days, then maybe check out those videos. But if you were there for those days, then you guys are real OGs. Ooh, check that out. Alright, so for keyboard geeks out there, this is my old keyboard. This is a Drevo V2. I love this keyboard, but there's one problem with it, and that is this. Listen. Now, for some of you, and me too, you might love that sound, but if you are moving into college, which I am going to college, I don't think that's what other people want to be hearing when it's late at night and I might be writing an essay or doing some work or editing a video, even if it's just simple like that's pretty loud. So I made the decision to go ahead and get the Fanatic Mini Streak. It is a TKL keyboard. I'm fine with that. I love arrow keys. I will always now get a keyboard with arrow keys because when I did have the Ampro 2, did not go so well. So anyways, I mainly got this because of the keyboard switch, which is the MX Silence, which are great. And if you're wondering why I didn't build, I could do hot swap and there could just be so much more. Honestly, I don't really want to also just come with a great built keyboard. I was going to get the Warmier K66, but for the amount of RGB that is there and I want that, I just don't think it's good for a college dorm room. So this is just, much more, this is just more simple in a way. So that's why I went with it. And I'm happy with it. Once I'm done with college or as college goes on and I get to know my roommates more, then maybe I can go ahead and build a keyboard or something. But I think for the first year, this Fanatic Mini Streak will do the trick. And this will just stay home then. But I might switch out the keycaps or do something. I have no idea. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Alright, so I'm in the process of downloading the software right now, but here's a look at the keyboard, and in just a moment I will give you a typing test because I know many people are probably wondering what this keyboard sounds like. And another thing is that I do have to get used to this keyboard because this is a linear switch MX Cherry Silence, so I had Optimo Blues and they are definitely a tactile clicky switch. But honestly, it feels great. So anyways, I am going to go ahead and download the software. But let's go ahead and give you guys what you probably came here for, the typing test. Alright, so that was pretty much it for the sound test. And I know for a lot of keyboard geeks out there, you're probably saying like, oh, the rattle, oh, there's like a pinging noise. Well, I mean, it is a stock keyboard. You're going to get that with most keyboards that you buy online. And so yeah, I really could care less as long as it's silent and I can use it pretty quietly, like literally just typing very quietly if needed to. I don't want to wake up anyone or cause, being annoying during the night. So as long as it's quiet, which it is, then I'm happy and it looks really, really nice. Anyways, here is the software. Let's go ahead and download it, shall we, and set it up. Alright, so anyways, that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you guys did, make sure to go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to go ahead and follow me on social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch, because sometimes I do go live, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Holy mushrooms, dude. If that would have landed on my flip LCD screen, I think I wouldn't be sitting here right now, and I think I would have been crying because holy shisa. I'm so glad this camera is not a Canon camera, or else it probably would be broken. I don't want to be a Casey Neistat here, folks, but I think it's kind of like that. Let's effing go. I don't swear on this channel and I don't plan to, but let's effing go because there is a gradient effect. I haven't had a keyboard in so long that has a gradient effect where you can go ahead and choose some colors that you want to, just cycle through. So happy this is an option. Great job, Fanatic. I'm loving it. And yeah, we're definitely setting the orange teals, maybe some green in there, and some oranges. And no purple, because I hate purple. I don't hate purple. I strongly dislike purple because it's just not one of my favorite colors.